Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BOSC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty eventful day today. Not a pretty, it was a very eventful day, not only from the price action perspective. You look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going into next week. First level of support to keep an eye on is going to be where this movement this afternoon stabilized out at. That's right around $2.90. So $2.90, definitely going to be that near-term level of support. In the event $2.90 does not hold up, then you're just going to have to get a little bit more proactive as a trader for this next one. What do I mean by proactive? Well, the next level of support would be that 50-period moving average, which on my chart is being denoted by the purple line. And right now it's valued at 266, but keyword being moving. So as next week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. Therefore, this value is going to move and change itself. So if the price breaks below 290, what would the value of the 50-period moving average be at that point? I have no idea. So that's what I mean. You'll just have to be a little proactive and take kind of take an inventory check at that point to just monitor what the current value would be at that moment in time. Now, in the event the price stays above 290 and starts to work its way back upwards, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance going to be right here. And I consider this one pretty important because that is where this late day rally ran out of steam right there at $3.20. And the other reason that's interesting is that it's almost like a little mini blue sky breakout, because next level of resistance after that is not until way up there at 360. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if 320 breaks, then within 2 minutes it's going to be at 360. My point is just technically speaking, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, there just isn't anything up here. It's kind of like an open no man's land, or hence a little miniature blue sky breakout. So, but one step at a time, and the first step is just maintaining up above 290. And if that can occur and the price can work its way up through the 320-ish mark, then yeah, next week could be pretty interesting. So let's see how this one plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.